In a forest glade, an intense battle unfolded between a tiny ant and a massive spider. The ant, driven by courage, faced its much larger foe, ready to defend its territory. Against all odds, the ant's bravery shone brightly as it outmaneuvered the spider, causing it to retreat in fear. With the spider gone, the ant stood tall, feeling a surge of pride for overcoming such a formidable adversary. As sunlight filtered through the trees, the ant knew that this day would be remembered as a testament to its bravery and resilience. The butterfly rests quietly on a leaf, unable to spread its wings amidst the relentless rain. As dawn breaks, a gorgeous sunrise emerges, casting warm hues over the landscape, and soon dozens of butterflies soar gracefully into the air. The butterfly begins to shake off the droplets, revealing the beauty of its wings, which shimmer even in the rain. With the storm finally receding, the meadow becomes alive with a flurry of butterflies, each one taking to the sky, celebrating the arrival of sunshine.